welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a update on this hair that I received from Nadula hair company. So this is what the hair looks like. I will link the first video down below so you guys can kind of see how I got this color, because I do have a whole video on how I got this color and you all can reference that, because a lot of people ask me, hey sis, did the hair come like that? Like, what? No, the hair came in its natural color, and I just decided to add, like, you know, a little pop, a little pizzazz to the hair, and I absolutely love it. I really think the hair is kind of lightening up, you know. Like, I may sound crazy, but doesn't hair do that? Like, if it's out of the sun too much, doesn't it kind of get a little lighter? I don't know. But anyways, let me get into the specs of the hair, okay? The specs are on my phone. I have the Nadula Brazilian Bodywave hair. I have 20, 22, 24 with a 20-inch frontal, okay? It's a 20-inch ear-to-ear frontal, okay? So along with linking my first video down below, you guys can reference that. Not too much has changed. If you guys seen in the first video, I did put this hair through a heck of a lot of processing. I even lifted the, like, when I put the highlights in it, I lifted the color with like some 40, I think I used like 40 volume developer, and that is a very harsh process that I put the hair through, on top of already putting it through the box dye, and that also comes with like bleaching agents in it too. So I put this hair through a heck of a whole lot. Okay, and I also been putting a whole bunch of hairspray in it. I washed it like 2 times since that video, so it's just been through the rain, but it has been holding up. What really has surprised me about this hair is that it is not overly dry. Okay, I have not experienced that. Like, even you guys can see, nothing looks dry. You see, like, from root to tip, nothing looks dry. What I was scared of is like frying the hair. Let me show y'all what it looks like, because I know my head is kind of getting cut off a little bit. But I was so scared of like frying the hair, because, you know, I'm not a professional. But I was scared because I used those box dyes. I let that sit on there for a really long time. I let those box dyes sit on there for about like an hour to an hour and a half. And then I went in with the 40 volume developer, and I didn't let that sit on there for a long time, but I was nervous because I'm like, okay, this hair is going to be brittle, it's going to be dry, you know. But it wasn't like that. The hair still has a lot of life. It still has a lot of body. It took to color so well. This color is so vibrant, and I really hate that it's not really coming off on camera like what it truly is, because it's like a lighter color than it's coming off on camera. It's coming off real dull and like just not as bright, but like in person, this is really, the color, the blonde in it is really bright, and I love it. And it has like streaks going out through it. I just really like it. It's like I said, it still has a lot of body, a lot of shake, and it's not dry. I didn't have to cut the ends, because I know a lot of times when I dye hair, I would have to like cut the ends and, you know, deal with all that. But this hair really did withhold everything I put it through. A lot of you ask me, what kind of hair can I get that can withstand bleaching, coloring, dye, all of that? I would definitely recommend this hair. And you all know I don't bleach and dye a lot, but every now and again I will put some hair to the test, like a real test, and I will just see, you know, how it kind of goes through the motions. And I have been wearing this hair like to work, so I've been wearing this hair, and I've also been sleeping in this hair. So if you do, which gives you all a generalized idea if you like get a sew-in with this hair or not, because you will be sleeping in it, and it'll be like everyday wear for you. So you guys will kind of know, yeah, it's still holding up and it's still good, even being active in the hair, showering in the hair, washing the hair, sleeping, all that extra stuff, just having it out in the element instead of taking it off my head and letting it sit on the wig head and putting it on. I've actually been having it out. You know, I've been having it, like, I've just been wearing it and really experimenting with it, and it really has been holding up. And I can't say, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just super amazed, because I'm just surprised I didn't freaking fry it. Thought this hair was going to be falling off the bundles. I mean, falling off the little weft thing, but it is not. Okay, so I don't really have a lot to say, and I don't really want to make this too like rambly, but I just want to come to y'all and let you all know, yes, the hair is still holding up. It is still doing really nice, like super nice, and I'm still loving it. I would definitely recommend you check out the companies. I will leave links down below. I will leave links down below so you all can go see. They do have affordable prices, and they are always doing like sales, and they have like coupon codes and all kind of things out there. So at least just check them out and see. I would definitely recommend you checking them out. If you want some hair you can bleach and dye and do different things with, and the hair does definitely hold a curl. Those curls that I had put in there on my first video, they lasted a really long time. Okay, so keep that in mind too. A lot of my girls who like the curl hair, or prom or homecoming, things like that are coming up, and you want to do curly styles, it does do really good at holding your curl. So anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to y'all. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll definitely see y'all in the next one. Bye.